In the heart of the valley, where the Wainimala flows, where the mist of night our city softly blows, I climb the hills of Teupola, my father's ancient ground, where the echoes of the ancestors are the only sound. City Wainimala, a name of strength and pride. In the July of 21, you cross to the other side. Then I turn to the east, to the salt and the spray, to the shores of Matuku, where the waves find their way. Ravi Ravi village, where my mother found her grace. Takovesi, my queen, I still see your face. In the March of 20, you found your silent rest, leaving your wisdom deep within my chest. I am Teupola, the only one who remains, carrying your blood through my weary veins. From the mountain peaks down to the Lawan Sea, your spirits are the wind that is guiding me. Though the sky turned dark when you went away, your love is the light that leads my way. The cold mountain water meets the warmth of the tide, two worlds within me with nowhere to hide. From the heights of Naitasiri to the Lawan shore, I am the bridge to the lives that came before. Though the house may be quiet and the path feels long, the blood of my parents makes my spirit strong. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, oh, I stand as one, but I am never alone. Built from the river and the island stone, Naitas, a grip and the Lawan heart, a sacred bond that death cannot part. I am the daughter of the land and the deep, a promise to my parents that I'm destined to keep. Teupola Kaitani, let the name be known, a seed from the forest that the wind has blown. Rest well, Tata, sleep in peace now. The river of your love follows me home.